This is my new coffee machine. So this unboxing. So Nestle employees have a 15% discount available. So if you go to the outlet, you have to carry your original ID. So in that ID you can get 15% discount. So there is a booklet. It's already there. Then there will see a cable, 3-ply cable, and just removing this. And this is the new model new coffee machine. You can easily to remove. So box is empty. It's a small machine. So you can have a look. This is the machine. You have to just pull it, the lever up. You put the capsule. You can take one capsule from here, any of the capsule. Just you drop it and you can place it. And this is the special cup for this. I bought the special cup for the Nespresso, same brand. So these cups you can available. All these colors of cups you can available. So if you're buying any of this color, all the brands you can available. And you can choose the coffees by caffeine, strong, how you want to be. You can choose any of them this from here. Then you taste it. So enjoy your coffee.